Hello students, welcome to our second lesson on commission. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to find the total sales when the commission rate and the commission are given. From our first lesson, we learned that commission is amount of money that is a fixed percentage of the total sales that has been made by a salesperson and is paid to the salesperson as his or her compensation. We also learned that the fixed percentage in this case is known as the commission rate. Now, we learned that to find the commission, we multiply the commission rate by the total sales. Now, we are going to learn how to find the total sales when we have the commission rate and the commission. We know that commission is given by multiplying the commission rate by the total sales. So what we are going to do here is that because we want to find the total sales, we are going to make it the subject. Then when we make the total sales the subject, that means we are taking the commission rate from the right hand side to the left hand side. And because it's multiplying here, when it's taken to the left hand side, it goes to divide. So we'll be getting commission divided by commission rate equal to total sales. Now, because we have the values of the commission and the commission rate, we just substitute them into the equation. And what we do next is that we solve for the total sales. Let's take this question as an example. A sales girl is given a commission of 20% on the sales she makes. If her commission in a particular week was 1,000 Ghana cedis, find the total sales she made that week. Now let's look at the solution. From the question, the 20% here is our commission rate. When we write it as a common fraction, we get 20 divided by 100. And when we simplify this to the lowest term, we are getting 1 divided by 5. 1,000 Ghana cedis here, we are told, was her commission. So the commission is 1,000 Ghana cedis. Now we know that commission is given by multiplying the commission rate by the total sales. So we are going to make the total sales stand alone since it is the one we are looking for. So we take the commission rate to the left hand side. Therefore, we are getting commission divided by commission rate and everything equal to total sales. We have the value for commission, that is 1 on 5. And we have the value for commission rate, that is 1 on 5. And the commission is 1,000. So we substitute in the values. So commission is 1,000 divided by the commission rate is 1 on 5 equal to the total sales. Now we know that when we are when we are dividing two fractions, we leave the first fraction, then the division sign is turned into multiplication, and we turn the fraction upside down. So we are getting times 5 on 1, and everything equals total sales. Now 1,000 times 5 is 5,000. Divided by 1 is the same 5,000. So we are getting total sales is equal to 5,000. So what have we learned today? Today we have learned that when we are given a commission and a commission rate and we want to find the total sales, we just make the total sales the subject, then substitute the values of the commission and commission rate into the equation. Then we solve for the total sales. Thank you.